Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to take a look at how to decorate a course using label. So, if we want to edit any courses, then the first thing we want to do is turn editing on the top right. Here we have a button, turn editing on. Just click on this one, and now the editing is enabled. We can edit anything that we want. But the top section remains as it is. We don't need to change anything about that. From this part, if you click on unit, as I told you, this is collapsible. If we click back, it's collapsible again. So if you want to add any content inside the unit, just click here on add an activity or resources. So from this part, we are just going to use label. There are a lot of other features, but we don't want to use any of those. We're just going to use label because this is much simpler. And as of now, the first thing we want is just decorate a course using some, highlighting informations and some videos, some audios like images or anything. Just basically decorating the course, not overcrowding the course. Later on, we are just going to learn how to use each and every of these things. So first, just select label. Here we can add a text, images, videos, or we can embed YouTube videos. So as of now, just add some text and add an YouTube video. So just just copy this text. You can add your text, and I recommend adding some important and highlighting information so that we don't end up, overcrowding the course page. Let's just add a heading. Okay, we can increase the size of this heading from here. We can make it bold. That's it. Now paste the text that we have just copied. You can paste your text, and now we are going to add a YouTube video. So there's two different ways of adding YouTube videos. The first one is obviously much simpler, but at the same time we cannot do anything apart from adding YouTube videos. And the second one is we can increase or decrease the size of the video that we are displaying, or we can do a lot more things. But as of now, let's just take a look at how to embed a normal YouTube video. Just copy the link from the top, copy the link and paste it here and save and return to the course. And as you can see, we have added the heading, the text, and the video. So that's one way of decorating a course using some images, some text, some headings, and other stuff. So this is one way. And second way, we're going to take a look at this one later at a point, because I think this thing should do. This video is not that, although it's a little bit smaller in size, but it's okay, it should do. And this, there are some, useless information that we just don't want these things to stay on the side. We just delete this. Now let's turn editing off so that all the messy stuff disappeared. So now we can see this course unit is so clean. We have a contents, our introduction, and then we have a contents. We can do another thing. We can just drag down this one by enabling editing on. We can drag down this one under this actual content portion, so that because this says sample task and activities, right? So under this one, we want just the activities, and all the contents should remain on the top of this one. So to do this, we can turn editing on again, and let's just drag this down. Turn editing off. That's it. Now that's a better way of arranging stuff, because on the top we have heading. This one is the introduction of the unit. You can just delete it or you can keep it. It's up to you. So on the top we have heading, then we have text, then we have videos. You can add your audios, you can add your images, and this is one of the finest way to decorate course. And under this one, we can have our actual quizzes, which we are going to learn in the next portion of this video, how to add quizzes, and that's it. There are a lot of other activities that we can add, but as of now, I think quizzes is the most important, and only let's just stick around with the quizzes alone.